It's a lane see-through. Makita ang imong kaugmaon, ani. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roche, aka beautymagz. Today's video is going to be another affordable sexy lingerie panty haul. And I got this online, Shopee online, Maganda mag-shopping online because it's very convenient. And I got this from Shopee, very affordable and very sexy. Sexy, sexy, panty. What I got? Interested? You should. Alright, so first item. What items that I got here? Actually, I got this. I think you remember on my other video. Yes. It's the same like type of panty, see-through, and you can really see your bottom with this thing. It's very like comfortable, so I like it. So I bought another one because I feel like that it does suit me very, very well. Okay, so this is it, see-through, blue one this time, and the detail of this. See, like a tiny little bow here on the side, lace here. Actually, it's see-through. It's a see-through panty. Yes, you see that? Very, very nice, guys, and very, very affordable. And you can buy this in set. You can save a lot of money if you do that. Buy this in bundle, so the price could lower down. It is very nice. Silk material, comfortable to the skin, it's not hot, and it's very, very like cold to the touch, so you will really, really like it if you are living in a hot, humid area. This is it, especially like sleeping at night. This would be so nice, and also very, very attractive, for the kapikas, diba? Para di ka mabiyaan. Diyos ko, ayaw pabiya. Kaya palit na. Endorser, sana naman, Shopee. No? It's really, really nice, guys. I do like it. The next one is the same thing, right? Because I just like it, right? This time is ang panty kong pula. Actually, it's not really pula, no? It's maroon. I just like it. That's why I bought another one. Because I just like the way it is. I like it so far. See? Hindot siya, guys. Palit na mo ani, guys. Light kaayo siya. Di dyan mo magmahay ani. It's really, really good, comfortable, and see again the design of this. Like the lace, it's very sexy if you're gonna wear it. And if you have issues with your body type, this one is very like forgiving for any type of body shape. Like if you are like bony, no, this one can hide that because the bottom is like it right fits in to your like here behind, and the front really. You still have that like an allowance over there, no? Hindi lang matabunan ng iyong leki, no? But you still have more room up, so if you are pusunon, it's not too obvious with this one, so it will make you feel look like curve, or it will make you feel like fit, so it look comfortable, this one. So I do recommend this. Alright, guys, so naghihintay na naman kayo sa anong favorite ko na color, of course, no? As usual. Okay, so hindi yan mawawala sa ating collectiones. Alright, so what is it? Kanta ng taga whole new world. Bam, diba? It's a lane see-through. Makita ang imong kaugmaon, ani. Actually, guys, this type. Though it looks like here and the back side is like a thong here, but actually this one fits me like really like comfortably well with my body shape, even though I'm bony on the side, or like my hip bones. This is very like matabunan ang pagka daot ba. So it can cover imperfections you have on your body. Yes, it is also a lace see-through. What I like bought recently, this makes me look pretty. Magkaanak ka ba? Sige na. Palit na mo. Ang kanira dyan matabunan. Ang leke. Ang leke daw. Yeah, here in the front, no, na siya bow. So, okay. Look at that. Dapat na ipasimod-simod, no? Sikat pa ito. This is it. Our panty collection of the day. I hope you like this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below if you have any suggestions, questions, comments, interactions. Tadaw. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye!